what are you watching, right? Like obviously there's some stuff that you all have done to shift kind of your perception of what laundromats look like and how they operate. What are you kind of watching across the industry right now?
I think payment systems are transforming a lot.
Mm,
I think
yeah.
doing the cashless card. Are you hybrid? Are you membership only? So I think that's a lot of focus of what people are doing right now. I think technology, people are starting to kind of embrace technology. And I think the more that they do, the easier that their job will become and the more streamlined that their business will become. I mean, like
Yeah.
our lights are automatic, our doors are automatic, things unlock. We have a fingerprint system to get into the bathroom so people aren't, abusing or giving a code to somebody or doing
Yeah.
those things. So I think the more automation, technology, innovation that you can implement, and I think people are starting to get that it's going to change industry wide. But I think everybody's starting to things are starting to click a little bit. And so
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think that's probably what I'm watching and the most excited for because I think it's going to help so many people. So,
Well, it's so fun too to see, like, from a technology perspective, to see like the pace of change, right? Like
yes.
it's like the snowball's rolling down the hill. Like you do one thing and you're like, oh, this is also possible. Oh, I could also do this. And then next thing you know, you're like, oh man, look how far we came in a very short window.
Yes. Yes. We started with smart plugs to be able to reset things when we weren't around.
Yep.
And then that triggered the lights and then the doors and the bathroom door. And I mean, literally within a month, and our team was like, what's going on? And I'm like, just trust me, your life is going to get so much easier. You're not having to
Yeah.
worry about lost keys. You're not having to make sure you hit the right lights. I mean, there's just so many things. I think at first it's uncomfortable, kind of like what you said, you have to get a little uncomfortable for that change.
Yeah.
And so I know, veterans of the industry, they're kind of like, I don't know how I feel about that. I think if you jump in and you embrace that, I think it's going to benefit you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't have, I mean, it doesn't have to hurt forever.
No, it doesn't.
It'll be a little painful for a little bit, but
Yeah.
then it's going to come out the other side and everything's going to be
Yeah.
nice and clean and automated and remotely accessible. That's the best part.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's kind of like when I give people a shot. It's just going to pinch for a minute, but then you're going to
Yeah, it's
be
just a minute.
totally
Yeah.
fine after that. It's just going to pinch for a minute.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, you're going to be like, well, that wasn't so bad. And that B12 gave me
Yeah.
lots of energy. Like, you just got to think about it from those perspectives. So there's a lot of nursing that I can tie in. So we could be here all
That's
day.
so funny. Yeah, that's so funny. Maybe the path should be everyone should be a nurse first,
Yeah.
and then get into business.
There you go. There you go.
That's maybe my big takeaway today. I should have done nursing first. That's the thing.
Yeah. Well, good luck on that one.
Yeah. It may be past. That time may have
Yeah.
passed for me.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
yeah.